Oh, Michael, buckle my shoe. What? Hey, we practiced this. Okay, one more time. Michael, buckle my shoe. I think you smell like a enough! Hey!
Can you see it?
Do here, what we did? Where did the baby go?
Bonk. That was only one of many rockets we will make. Hey!
Have your squishing there. Hey, you're squishing.
I'm trying to get up.
Get up.
I'm trying, but
Well, if you're not trying enough. There. Don't do that again. Okay. Second attempt. The screen bottle. That did not go anywhere. Wait a minute. Why is it labeled TNT on it? Oh no. Just tell me one thing. It explodes. Oh, that goes way farther. No. So the TNT logo means, well, TNT. So, now the dragon one, can you stop? Anyways, the dragon one, hey! Yay! Oh no. So the dragon one is the best one out of every single one.
No, the dragon one's the worst one in everybody.
Actually, the mystery ones, these mystery ones,
Or the best.
are the best because they go infinitely. Well,
Yeah, but the TNT one won't blow up.
No. Listen. These drink bottle things, the mystery one right here, this one, I think this one goes forever. This one goes on for a tiny bit, but it's very powerful.
I really want to have it. Yum.
I already know all the alien parts because I had it on one of the old phones. Back then, it was very easy to get alien parts, and I got every single one. I got your mom.
You got
I got your dad. That's why he left. Whoa, when your dad left to go get the milk, he actually came to my place. Those of you that don't have a dad, like that never grew up with a dad, I'm sorry. If you don't have a mom, then I'm also very sorry. That's not an insult. That's
Can you
actually...
show us the Karen?
Oh, the Karen. Oh,
Karen.
no.
What is a Karen?
Wait. We have never done an Angry Birds 2 video. I mean, we done a Bad Piggy video, obviously, but...
Yeah.
Angry Birds.
Okay, after that, do.
No way. It's Angry My Bird
Actually,
is 2.
I want to make one. I want to make
You
one
wanna
as
make a-
game.
You want to make a video after mine?
Yeah.
Okay, so it has to be on your channel. Your live stream is ready. I just realized you can go live.
What are you doing?
Dude, I literally fed you yesterday.
He needs to get feet all day.
I'm gonna upgrade parents again.
I know.
Yeah, I have to upgrade my boy Terrence.
Upgrade the sin.
Parents?
Parents. Upgrade the sin parents. You don't want my mom to go?
Oh, sorry, I just love ho 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 wait, whoa. Ooh, what's this? Gun. I did not just say. Hey, why is Elsa touching? That's not Elsa. What the hell is that? A knockoff brand Elsa? What the? Dude, parents. Terry. Terry McMary. I marry your mother. I mean, nothing.
You marry my mother?
No, I will not marry your mother.
You marry my mother?
Wow. Wait. Oh, I can't get that sweet, precious apple. You cannot touch my feet. I already have feet. Oh, another apple.
Can I touch your hands?
You made a big mistake, buddy. Oh no, I made a big mistake, buddy. Hold on, my pig is calling me. Hello, Mr. Piggy. Where have you been? You have not fed me for 20 million years. I'm sorry, Mr. Pig. I forgot about you, Mr. Pig. I'm gonna leave your pen now. No, Mr. Pig, you cannot leave my pen, Mr. Pig. Too late. I am leaving your pen as a pig. Ha ha ha!
Do you like him?
Mr. Pig?
Oh, yeah, Mr. Pig.
Well, I wouldn't necessarily say I like Mr. Pig, but, Hey, I can still hear you! Oh, I forgot to hang up. Beep! I hang up. Hey, you cannot hang up on me. I am your favorite surgeon.
Let me hang up on him.
Hey,
It's just right there.
Yeppe. 5 cents?
5 cents. Hi guys.
You dumb bird! Okay, what's the ad? I'm gonna pause it. Okay, we got the blue children. You guys disappoint me more than your dad left you. How about we don't do that game?
Okay, my turn.
Hey!
My turn.
Whoa! Hey! What game? What game? You said you wanted to choose a game. What game?
I really like playing this game. It's so fun.
Yay, we caught the bad guy. Wow. We need to go to the dollar store.
La, 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 la. I want to go to school already.
You can't because we're having a play date. Maybe. There's a chance.
We told you that you were the photograph.
Shut up. Okay.
What? How much money you have?
Well, this is where we get it, huh? I guess. I was wondering where we get it. There's a lot of feel bored. Mommy. What? In what game? Well, you always play Minecraft all the time.
I can't even make a nest for my bird.
What?
I'm making a nest for my bird.
What bird? What bird? Blue? In what game? You don't need to make a nest for a bird in Minecraft. And if you do need to make a nest, then you can have a brown concrete block, and then that's a nest. Or, if you want to be a little bit more creative, waterlog a slab, put an item frame on it, put, whatever. You can't put a chain. Wait. Oh no, you don't need an item frame. Waterlog a slab, then put coral on it, and then it will be a nest. And if you want an egg in it, then you'll need an item frame and put an egg in the item frame. You can treat all of you guys now. Okay, you're filled. Dude, I don't want to play with you right now. You dumb it.
Talking Hank's at it again. Let's see where his sleepwalking adventure takes him tonight. Adventurous slide. Impressive reflexes, even in his sleep. He is exhausted. Did he secretly went on a...
Why? I'm gonna reinstall it. Because it's stupid that you actually did that in the first place. No, we just need the collection. You like that game? Princess. After these packs, then I'm gonna get send this one to you and you can end the video. What? Okay, so I can just end the video then. You want a video to come? Okay, but you better talk to the audience every once in a while. You can't stay silent the whole time, you know? What? What do you mean by? Oh, I thought you said bye to the audience. Or chat. Or you're banned from my stream. Dude! No, I'm gonna start your live stream after this video. Your live stream. This is famous and well known. I'm surprised that you even got 50 subscribers. One eating video can just blow up and actually make you go viral. No, I do something like that, I lose subscribers. And I know that to be a fact. I never tried it though, but I know to be a fact. Because you're 6 and everyone loves when you do it.
I like eating talkies.
I mean, you can do like eating talkies video for like 20 minutes, and then you can just blow up to get a play button. Well, I'm only like, I don't know, 30 subscribers that I'm at right now. Like, wow.
Look, I give you mine.
Oh, by the way, Mom said not to use her account anymore, and Mom's gonna try working on giving you your own account. She doesn't want you using her account anymore. No. Did you not just hear what I said? Mom wants you to have your own account, and she's gonna do that. Because she doesn't want baby shows popping up on her account. She can't even find it on her. Also, I did just expose you, so yeah. So everyone watching this video, if you're subscribed to Lexi Griffin, then yeah, that's not a, that's my mom's account, not hers. I have my own. Finally. I'm almost done with this book already.
Not all of them.
Wow. TikTok, really? Okay. We're gonna go ahead and start your live stream. See you guys. Peace.